What's up, everyone? Today, I have some truly amazing news for all my student friends across India. This is a massive opportunity, something that could completely change how you study, learn, and create. Google has just announced a special gift for you. They are giving a free 1-year subscription to their powerful Gemini AI Pro plan. This isn't a small thing, guys. It's a huge deal. It's like having a super smart personal assistant right by your side, ready to help you with all your college challenges 24/7. This is your chance to get ahead and use technology to supercharge your brain and your future. Think about the possibilities for a moment. We live in a world where technology is everything. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the next big wave, and it's already here. Getting your hands on a tool like Gemini AI Pro for free is like being given a key to a new world of knowledge and productivity. This offer is specifically designed for students in India, showing that major companies like Google see the incredible potential in our country's youth. They are investing in you, giving you access to a premium tool that would normally cost a lot of money. This is your moment to grab this opportunity with both hands and make the most of it. So, what is the actual value of this offer? Let me break it down for you. The Gemini AI Pro plan is a premium service. Normally, it would cost you 19,500 rupees for a full year. But for a limited time, Google is making it completely free for eligible students in India. That's nearly 20,000 rupees saved, which is a lot of money for any student. This gesture shows a deep commitment to empowering the next generation of Indian leaders, thinkers, and creators. It's more than just a free subscription. It's an investment in your education and your future success. This is not just about saving money, though. It's about gaining access to a cutting-edge advantage. Imagine being able to understand complex topics faster, write better essays, and even get help with your coding projects. This tool can help you level up your skills in ways you haven't even thought of yet. It's about working smarter, not just harder. The world is competitive, and having an AI assistant like Gemini can give you the edge you need to stand out. So listen closely as I explain what this amazing tool can do for you and how you can get it. Now let's get into the exciting part. What exactly do you get with this Gemini AI Pro plan? This is not just the basic version of Gemini that everyone can use. The Pro plan gives you access to Google's most advanced AI models. This means you get faster responses, more powerful capabilities, and priority access to new features. Think of it as the VIP version of the AI. It can help you with your studies by explaining difficult concepts from your syllabus in simple terms. You can ask it to summarize long research papers or generate ideas for your next big project presentation. The benefits for your homework and assignments are massive. Are you stuck on a tough math problem or a complex physics question? Gemini Pro can guide you through the steps to find the solution, helping you learn the process along the way. If you have to write an essay or a report, it can help you create a strong outline, improve your grammar, and even rephrase your sentences to make them sound more professional. It's like having a writing tutor and a subject matter expert available whenever you need one, right from your own laptop or phone. This will make your academic life so much easier. But it's not just about academics. Gemini AI Pro is also a fantastic tool for your creative side. If you are interested in coding, it can help you write, debug, and understand code in different programming languages. If you are into art or design, you can use it to brainstorm creative concepts for your projects. You can ask it to write a script for a short film, compose lyrics for a song, or generate ideas for a new business plan. The possibilities are truly endless. It's a tool that adapts to your needs, whether they are analytical, academic, or creative. Basically, the plan gives you a more powerful and versatile AI assistant. You get longer context windows, which means you can have more detailed and complex conversations with the AI without it losing track of what you discussed. You also get seamless integration with other Google apps like Docs and Gmail, making your workflow incredibly smooth. This is a professional-grade tool, the same kind that developers and researchers use, and you get it for free. It's designed to boost your productivity and unlock your creative potential, helping you achieve more in less time. Here's how to check. Okay, so you're excited about this amazing offer. The next logical question is, am I eligible to get it? Google has made the rules very simple and clear, so let's go through them. The main requirement is that you must be a current student at a recognized higher education institution in India. This means if you are enrolled in a college or university in India, you are most likely eligible. You also need to be 18 years of age or older. This is a standard requirement for many online services and subscriptions, so make sure you meet this age criterion. Another important point is that you will need a valid college email address or some other proof of your student status. This is how Google will verify that you are actually a student. The process is handled through a trusted third-party verification service, so your information will be safe and secure. Having your student ID card handy will also be very helpful during this process. The goal is to ensure that this fantastic offer reaches the people it's intended for, the hard-working students of India who can benefit from it the most. So, get your documents ready. This offer is available to students across all fields of study. It doesn't matter if you are studying engineering, medicine, arts, commerce, or law. As long as you are a student in a higher education institution in India, you have a chance to claim this free subscription. This is a very inclusive approach from Google, as they understand that AI can be a valuable tool for everyone, regardless of their academic discipline. The key is simply to prove your current enrollment. If you have your college ID and an official email, you are in a very good position to get approved. So, to summarize the eligibility criteria in the simplest way, you need to be at least 18 years old, currently studying at an Indian college or university, and have a way to prove it. That's it. It's not complicated. Google wants to make this as accessible as possible. Before you start the application process, just double-check that you have your student ID card and access to your official college email account. This will make the entire process smooth and fast, getting you one step closer to unlocking the power of Gemini AI Pro. Alright, let's walk through the exact steps to claim your free one-year subscription to Gemini AI Pro. The process is straightforward. First, you need to visit the official Google offer page for this program. Once you are there, you will be asked to begin the student verification process. This is where you will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your college. You will be guided to a platform called ShareID, which is a secure service that handles student verification for many global companies. This is a standard and safe procedure. On the verification platform, you will need to fill in your full name, the name of your college or university, and your date of birth. You might be asked to log in using your official college email address. In some cases, you may be required to upload a picture of a document that proves you are a student, like your student ID card or a copy of your class schedule. Make sure the picture is clear and all the details are easy to read. Once you submit your information, the verification process usually takes just a few minutes, but it can sometimes take a bit longer. After your student status is successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation, usually via email. This email will contain a unique link or a special code to redeem your free one-year subscription. Follow the instructions in that email carefully. You will need to sign in with your personal Google account to apply the offer. Once you complete this final step, congratulations. You will have full access to Gemini AI Pro for one entire year, completely free of charge. You can start using its advanced features immediately to help with your studies and projects. Now, a very important reminder for everyone. This is a one-year offer, and it is available for a limited time. You must sign up before the offer expires. Also, remember what happens after the free year ends. At the end of the 12 months, your subscription will not automatically renew into a paid plan, but it's always a good idea to check your settings. You can choose to subscribe and pay for the plan if you find it useful, or you can simply let it expire and go back to using the standard version of Gemini. My advice is to set a reminder on your calendar a few weeks before the year is up so you can decide what to do next. Use this year wisely, learn as much as you can, and make this opportunity count. All the